Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to remove an admin from your Twitter account. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Security and Account Access. On this page, click on Delegate option. Under Your Delegation section, click on Members you have delegated. We have delegated 2 accounts. To remove an admin, hover over the account you want to remove and click the 3-dot icon. Click on Remove from Group from the drop-down menu. Click Remove to confirm. That's it. Admin has been removed from your Twitter account. This is how you can remove an admin from your Twitter account. Thank you for watching.